What's going on, fam? This is Tan, and today's video is actually a revisit of a product that I installed about a little over a year ago. It's the Shatter-X windshield protectant coating, and at the time that I installed it, I wasn't sure if it worked or not, but I bought the buy three get one free, and so this is the second package that I got. I gave a couple to my brother-in-law, and it's been 13 months. Wanted to kind of give you an update on my experience after about a year, and if this is a product that I would recommend at this point. And I can say with 100% confidence that this product works. Now, I'm a defensive driver, so I don't try to get behind, big rigs or trucks or cars without mud flaps and things like that. But how I know this worked is in the last year that I've been driving with this product installed on my windshield, there's only been 2 times that I've encountered a rock flying at my car. The first time was on the freeway going about 70 miles an hour, and it was a light impact, so I couldn't really say if it was because of the coating or not. And that light impact was probably like a pebble, and it was barely noticeable, but I definitely heard it on the freeway. The second time was a month ago. I took my family down to Ocean Shores, and we were driving through some gravelly areas, and there was a stretch of highway that had a lot of rocks, pebbles. I don't know how they ended up on the road, but again, I'm going 70 miles an hour, and this time there was a big rock that flew at my direction, and it hit square right in the middle, right there. And so I had a feeling. I said, oh my gosh, my wife and I were like, that's definitely would leave a chip. And so when we got to our destination, we pulled over. We saw nothing, no impact, no chip, no crack, no nothing. And so we were like, oh shit. Whether this helped the cause or not, my windshield did not crack or chip, and that, my friends, is worth this $35 investment, which is why after a year they say you want to reapply another coating. So I'm going to do just that. I want to apply this coating right here, and you can probably tell. Let me zoom in on the windshield. I just gave it a car wash. However, even if you run your hands on it, you can still feel like bumps and contaminants, which is why I have the clay bar, so I can get rid of those contaminants. But I'm just inspecting my windshield, and where I thought there should have been some sort of crack or chip, you can see that my windshield is still in pristine condition, just like the day I bought it 2 years ago, a year and a half ago. So I'm a firm believer that this product works based on my experience and my testimonial. I know there's a lot of products out there that's make these claims, and I wasn't sure if this was going to be one. But hey, think about this: $35 investment to see if it worked out or not. I found out that it did work last month after having this product installed a year. And so I looked on their website, you buy 3 you get 1 free. So I think that is a way better investment than having to shell out any sort of deductible if you end up getting a cracked windshield, or if you have to pay out of pocket. This shit's expensive. OEM Toyota windshield can easily cost $1,500 to $2,000 depending on who's installing it for you. So I'm going to go ahead, do a quick tutorial on how I'm going to reapply a new coating of Shatter-X using clay bar and the clay luber that I got from Chemical Guys. All right, so first step is I'm going to use this clay bar, and I'm going to liberally spray this luber onto the windshield, and I'll give the clay bar itself a spray, and then basically run this onto the windshield until there's no resistance. So just going back and forth and getting all the contaminants cleaned off of it, and then afterwards just buff it off with this microfiber. Once I've completed that first step, then I can go ahead and reapply a new coating of the Shatter-X. Alright, so the clay bar is pretty soft, so you can mold it to however you want, whether you want to use the whole piece or not. I'm going to use the whole piece, and you can just give it a quick spray right on here, get it nice and wet, and then just spray a 2x2 area that you want on the windshield and just go to town on this. Just glides right on. In areas where you feel friction, that's where you want to spray a little bit more lube, so that way you can get off all the contaminants here. I'm doing this in the shade. You don't want to do this in direct sunlight or excess heat. That's not going to be good. Run the hands down and ooh, smooth like a baby's butt. Look on the clay bar, you can see all the contaminants you removed off. Alright, so now I know half of the windshield's done. I'm going to go ahead and repeat the process on the driver's side. And then we're going to get to the coating of the Shatter-X. Alright, so this is what you get in the Shatter-X package right here. Got 2 packets labeled Sachet 1, which is the cleaner wipe for 1/2 of the windshield. And then the other one, you have it for the other half. And then you have the nano coating for 1/2 of the windshield, and likewise on this one. So just kind of go over the directions here again. We kind of did a good deep cleaning already with the clay lube. However, we're going to go ahead and do step 1 like it recommends. We're using this cleaner wipe, and based on the directions, it says open sachet 1 and apply the prep coating in a circular motion to only 1/2 of the windshield. Be sure that the prep coating is applied to the entire half of the windshield, including the edges are coated as well. And then use the prep clothing cloth, which is inside here, until it's almost dry, and then use it to clean your wiper blades before discarding the dry cloth. So after this is almost dry, after applying it to 1/2 of the windshield, just wipe it up and down on your windshield wiper, and then afterwards use a microfiber cloth and buff it out until all residue is gone. And then second step is you'll open up this sachet 2 for the nano coating. This one you got to act fast because this will dry rapidly. So when you apply it, don't take your sweet time. Make sure you get onto all the areas on 1/2 of your windshield. And then this other packet right here is for the other half of the windshield. And after that, let it cure. Let it sit there for about 30 to 60 minutes. Then afterwards, you can go ahead and buff it out, and you're good to go. They do recommend that try not to drive around for 24 hours if you can, but you can drive around if you need to in at least 30 minutes after applying the nano coating on here. So let's go ahead and get right into it, and it's pretty straightforward. Sachet 1 cleaner wipe. Now, start with 1/2. Around. Get all the corners. Alright, so for this next step, the nano coating wipe, again, this is the one where you want to apply it as quick as possible, making sure you get every corner you can on just 1/2 of the windshield. Inside out. It smells like bourbon alcohol. And that's okay when you're applying the nano coating on if it looks kind of filmy, because you'll buff that off afterwards. Alright, just take note of the time right now and time it for 30 minutes. Come back in 30 minutes and then go ahead and buff it off and you're good to go for another year. Again, this video is not sponsored by Shatter-X. They did not mail this out to me. This is just a product that I applied about 13 months ago. I made a previous video when I first installed this, but again, it was just based on the reviews and what the company was touting at the time, and so I couldn't vouch for the product if it worked or not 13 months ago, but I can tell you a year later with personal experience, I do recommend getting this applied on your car. As you know, with Toyota windshields lately, they've been kind of flimsy. They crack really easily, so figuring out different ways to protect the windshield, you know, I think of this $35 as an investment of not having to go through the hassle of scheduling an appointment with the dealer or scheduling an appointment with Safe Light for, to come out and, you know, replace a new windshield and have to calibrate, you know, all the sensors up in here, and just kind of knowing that they have to remove and take all of that adhesive off to install a new windshield. That's just, you know, why have to, you know, put the car through that if we can do things preventatively to prevent that. One of the things I do plan on installing soon, I'm driving up to Canada to visit some friends, and while I'm up there, I'm also going to buy the OEM hood deflector. For some reason they only sell it in Canada, but that'll also help with, you know, bugs flying in the windshield, and then kind of diverting rocks that fly towards the windshield, that they fly over the car instead of a direct impact to the windshield. Anywho, If you like my videos, like I said, like and subscribe. And I got some cool videos coming up for you. This one right here, Shatter-X, highly recommend if you need some protection for your windshield. Take care. Peace.